Hey there, have you ever wanted to send a bunch of emails at once but didn't know how? Let's chat about how you can use Ishimo for bulk emailing. It's super easy and a game changer for staying in touch with everyone. Want to learn some tips and tricks together? So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to send bulk emails using Shimo like a pro. The first step that you have to do is open your browser, of course, and I will show you how you can do that as you can see. So first let's know what is bulk emailing. So bulk emailing is a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop, whether you are sharing updates, promoting an event, or just checking in with friends and family. I will walk you through the steps to do it effectively, and I will also share some tips to make sure your emails land in your right inbox and don't get marked as spam. So we have just to create an email firstly, and I will show you how you can do that. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and type into mail.google.com, and you have to find like that, and you have to create an email if you don't have an email, and you can also log in your email address if you already have an account. All right, or you can just click over here if you have an application and to get started with creating a Gmail or log in with your old email, your old Gmail, sorry. So here we have it, as you can see. So then let's just dive into mail merge. But before, all right, I will tell you something. So now that we have covered why bulk emailing is so useful, let's dive into the steps. But hey, before we do that, let me just say, if you are thinking this sounds complicated, don't worry, I promise I'm right here with you. And right now you have just to grab your laptop and let's jump into it together. I will walk you through each step, and feel free to pause the video and catch up if you need to. So let's get started right now. So we have just to dive into mail merge, and you have here these results. You have to click over the first one, create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets, and you'll find other page, which is this one. As you can see, I will show you how you can create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. You can just right now scroll down, and you here we have how it works. As you can see, well, I will read it, but before, let's just read the objectives we have here. Understand what the solution does, understand what the application script services do within the solution. You have here structure the script, run the script as well. About the solution, we have here how it works. So we have here we create a HTML draft template with placeholders that correspond to data in a sheet's spreadsheet. Each column header in a sheet represents a placeholder tag. The script sends the information for each placeholder from the spreadsheet into the location of the corresponding placeholder tag in your email draft, right? And if you scroll down, we'll find other things, which is here set up the script. That's important step that you have to know, which is here create the application script project. And here we have the first step. He click the full one button to make a copy of the Gmail or Sheets mail merge, and simple project. The applications script project for this solution is attached to the spreadsheet. All right, so you have just to click over make a copy, and then you have to update the recipient's column with emails, addresses you want to use the mail merge. And about the third one, here we have add, edit, or remove for columns to customize the data you want to include in your email templates. All right, and here we have create an email template. As you can see, run the script, review code, modifications, contributors, next steps as well. So let's come back, and right now you have just to click over make a copy here, and you get started with this one, as you can see. And then you have just to find this page, as you can see, and you have just to click over make a copy. You have here copy document. Would you like to make a copy or Gmail or Sheets mail merge? You have to click over make a copy, and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So we have just here to add your first name, the last name, recipient, which is Gmail. Then we have the description here, discount code, discount amount. Then we have email sent as well. All right, also we have the other option if you need it, which is here if you just modify the title if you don't like it. Then we have here if you want to end already, and option of share, and a various options. It's the option of Google Sheets, as you know. So right now let's just getting started. It's just go to the Gmail here, and I will click over compose. That's why I use Gmail. All right, then you'll you'll find this, as you can see. So here we have firstly the person that you want to send it, and you write to and you write his email. Then we have here the description. Here is the discount code, and you add the discount code for this month. Then we have here hey, and you add the first name, and you come back here. I am reaching out to you to send you this amount discount code. I hope you subscribe to us for more existing offers. Let us know what this experience is like for you. Thanks. And we have here the name, and you click over send, and then you click over OK, and you get started. And just come back here to the Google Sheets, and you have just to add here the first name, the last name. About the first name here and the last name, the recipients, these columns, you should keep it because it's very important. You can modify this one, which is discount code and discount amount. All right. So right now let's just click on over mail merge, and I will click over send emails, and you will find a page which is this one. A script dash this document needs your permission to run. I will click over OK, and I will use another email, or you can just here use this email, as you can see, and you get started with creating a mail merge. Alright, so this is how you can do that, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys have a fantastic day ahead. But one important that is important, which is set up your Google Sheet for bulk emails. You have just to create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and message, filling the rows with the details for each recipient, using placeholder like name and the message for personalization. This structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. And that's it. Sending bulk email with Gmail is super easy once you know the steps. I hope you found this helpful and feel ready to give it a try. Remember, you can reach out to so many people in just a few clicks. If you have any question or run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask. I am here to help. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy emailing. So this is how it works with create a mail merge and get started with this one. You have just to follow the steps that I do and that I said on create a mail merge, as you can see. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Also, we have here other important thing that you have to know, which is here this information, which is about this solution automatically populate an email template with data from Google Sheets. The emails are sent from your Gmail account so that you can respond to recipient replies. Then we have your prerequisite sites, set up the script. This one is very important to read it. Then we have here run the script, review the code, modifications, contributors, and the next steps. And the left we have here how you can just popular solution, create a mail merge, popular team, vacation calendar, connect to an API, and that's it for this one. And you can just get started as soon as possible because it's very helpful and useful to get started with this kind of websites. And that's it for this video, guys.